What's going on, guys? Right here we have the Hubsan H507A. This is the drone that we're going to be reviewing today, and I am super excited to be reviewing this drone because it is very cheap and it's very good for the money that you are paying. So anyways, let's get right into the video. Now you're probably wondering why I have an iPad sitting right here. Well, that is for the simple reason that this guy is meant to fly obviously with the controller, as you can see right here, but you can also fly this thing with just an iPad, which is pretty awesome, and it's really convenient actually. You can just have a charged battery, the drone, and an iPad. It can fit into a case like this one that I have right here. It fits together pretty well. Another thing that I noticed is if you take a look at other Hubsan models, this one right here is the Hubsan H501S. They look kind of similar. This one's obviously much bigger, but you can see similar styles. Like you can see kind of like how it's curved, has this curved look by the rudders, as does this one, and they just overall look like they have a similar build. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any batteries for this controller. Oh, got caught up in the charger. But look, I don't have any batteries right here. So today, for the review, I'm going to be flying this drone with the iPad. And I'm going to be doing the entire flight demo and everything with just the iPad. But anyways, let's take a look at this drone. Let's give it an overview. So I'm going to put the specs of this drone on screen for you right now. What's going on, guys? So basically audio glitched out here, so I'm just going to voice over this. Basically all I'm going to do right now is just turn on the drone, and today, like I'm saying right now, we are flying with the iPad. So you just start off by pressing the bottom, or the bottom button anyways, and it's going to make a ringing noise. That's how you know it's turned on. And then afterwards you just connect to Wi-Fi. Also, once you turn it on, there will be lights flashing on the bottom, but it's kind of hard to tell since it's so bright out. Next, we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi on the tablet. Alright, so I'm going to go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and then Hubsan H507A, and you should be able to see that. Now we're going to go into the X Hubsan app. So as you can see, X Hubsan. Enter device, enter main interface, give it a second, and now you should see a compass calibration screen. Right there, it's telling us to rotate the drone, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put down the microphone, and we're going to rotate the drone like this. Now we're going to angle it down, and we're going to rotate it the same way. Now you're going to hit the bind button. Alright, next step. So it's just pairing the GPS. Alright, so just so you know, we're going to show you some of the features on the app in one quick second. Alright guys, so now we're just going to take this guy off. And it is in the air right now. Let's get a camera view. Here is the aircraft flying. It's battling the wind right now pretty well. Alright guys, so I guess this is our return to home test. It's right above me right now. I think you can see it. Let's zoom in. There's the drone up there. It's supposed to return to the home point where it took off. So we're going to see how accurate that is. And I can already tell it's not super accurate. It's probably just going to miss the bench right here. And it's coming down. Yeah, way off, but I mean, this thing's pretty cheap. I mean, you can't really expect too much. Let's see if it auto lands. And let's see if it disarms itself or not. And it does. And you give me your opinion. Alright, so it's not too horribly loud, and anyways, the battery's just about dead because this thing does not have a long flight time at all. Alright, so I really enjoy on the return to home especially how you can either select whether you would return to the controller home location or the actual place of where it took off. Also, to take off is very simple. You just need to press the takeoff button and then hit OK, so it's really simple. Alright guys, so I guess now it's time for me to show you the photos and videos that we took during the flight. I'm actually pretty impressed with how they turned out. Put some music to it. Anyways, I'm going to play that right now. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I can tell you without a doubt, this drone is completely worth the money, depending on where you might find it. The range of price for this drone falls between $40 to $70. That's how much I would be willing to pay or suggest that you should pay for it. It's an awesome drone. It's great to fly, and to be honest, I have a lot of fun with it. So I'm going to be leaving some links below if you want to pick one up yourself. And you can 100% guarantee that you'll be seeing this drone again in my future videos. Like a flight test for this guy will definitely happen, and possibly even a giveaway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.